Okay, let's cook a healthy food or budget ulam for your family. So, this is a Shanghai with malunggay. So, yan. Pinagmix ko na bawang, sibuyas, carrots, chicken, yung giniling na chicken, and also, yan, yung ating malunggay. Yan. So, pinagmix ko na siya. And then, after you mix, you can put also 1 egg. Yan, para nagkakasama sila. And then, I wrap them. Mabilisan lang. Tapos nun, after I wrap, may ginawa ko na mga hindi nakarap para sa mga baby. Pero, they are so taste good. No? Tansyahan nyo lang yung, yung alat kasi konti lang dapat. And I also add seasoning for that. Yan. So, nagbabalot na ako dyan. Let's take balot for yummy in my tummy. Yummy yum yummy in my tummy. Yummy yum. So yan ang ating mga finished product na nakabalot, and then we will gonna fry them. So painit mo na yung kawali, and then of course the oil, at lagay mo na so that after a few minutes, you will have a yummy ulam, healthy budget. Yummy ulam. Yummy ulam. And then after that, so okay, tuloy-tuloy lang yung pagbabalot ko habang nagluluto ako. So of course, yung time natin, time consuming. Yan. So, yun lang yung simpleng pagkabalat. Ganyan pala yung ginawa ko kasi nga sabi nung isa sa mga kasama namin na leader sa church, mas maganda nakabuka kasi dun sa nakaano yung gilid ng wrapper kasi dyan agad sila maluluto. Lalo na pag Shanghai, pag may karne. Alright. So, this next picture, it's our finished product. Yan. So, yun. Makikita nyo yung iilan na mga parang ginawa kong meatballs or chicken balls. So, that's it for our video today. Yummy in my tummy. Bye-bye. God bless.